Is your Android phone storage full, yet you can't find anything to actually delete from your phone to actually create this space? If you've been having this issue, I must tell you, today is your lucky day because you're about solving this problem. The first thing you need to do is to go to the internal storage file manager. Okay, this is not the third app plugin or whatsoever. Okay, currently this is the space that I have on my own Android phone, and after deleting it, I'm going to show you the end result. Okay, I've actually deleted some before, so the difference may not be that much. But on your device, it may make a lot of difference. So what you do is to come to your native file manager. Okay, this is what I have on my phone. This is not a third-party app. Okay, so you come to your storage and look at your storage here, look at your memory card or your SD card. So you come to the same folder now, which is Android Media, and it's going to open. So this is the WhatsApp folder. Okay, click on it, say business WhatsApp, then come to this folder that say media. This is where the files are. Okay, once you get to this folder, all you just need to do is to just keep going into each individual folder and just keep searching for files that you think you don't want, then just keep deleting them. So to actually select all is to, once you start selecting one after the other, this folder will come, then you cannot select all and say delete. This process normally takes a long time for it to delete, so I'll just fast forward this part. Okay, just keep deleting until you are satisfied with deleting a lot of things. You can actually select and mark all. Okay, once you're done deleting one folder, you can actually go to the next folder and just keep searching for each and every of those folders and just keep deleting until you are done deleting everything in that WhatsApp folder. So once you're done, so you can go back and check your full storage. Okay, so with that, I was able to clear up to 1 gig storage for my storage. If I had not deleted before, like I told you, I've already deleted before I had the thought of making tutorial on this. So if you can imagine, from about 500 MB to like 4.5 gig, so that means I've been able to clear like 4 gig storage just from WhatsApp alone. So that brings us to the end of the video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button. If this is your first time, please hit the subscribe button. And today is day 50 of me teaching what I know as a graphic designer. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.